Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Brawl Stars update field. If Brawl Stars won't update, start with storage. Make sure you have enough space. Go to settings and then go to general and then go to iPhone storage and then make sure you have sufficient free space. Game updates often need extra space during the installation. Next, check your internet connection. Avoid mobile data if the update is large. Then restart your phone and reopen the app store. On Android, clear your Play Store cache. On iPhone, sign in and back out in your Apple ID if multiple updates are stuck. If nothing works, uninstall Brawl Stars and reinstall it fresh. Your progress is safe. It is linked to Supercell ID. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.